Students, we are solving NCERT exercise 3.3 question number 1. It is based on a graph. So the question states that in which quadrant or on which axis do each of the points -2, 4, 3, -1, -1, 0, 1, 2 and -3, -5 lie, and verify your answer by locating them on the Cartesian plane. So this is your Cartesian plane. We have drawn the x-axis x o x dash and the y-axis y o y dash. Okay. Now this is the origin O, and we have taken 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. This is positive of x, this is negative of x, this is positive of y, and this is negative of y. Okay, now the first coordinates are -2, 4. So -2 is your x coordinate and 4 is your y coordinate. So -2 on the x axis is here and +4 on the y axis is here. So the point will lie here. Okay, so we will mention it as -2, 4. Now the second point, and it is your second quadrant. The first quadrant is this one, this is second quadrant, so we will write the answer as second quadrant. Now the second point is 3, -1. 3, -1. So 3 is positive of x coordinate, so it will lie here on the x-axis, and -1, which is your y coordinate, so it will lie here. So this point will lie here. Okay, and this is your 3, -1, and this quadrant is your fourth quadrant, so we will write here fourth quadrant. So let it be point A, this it be point B. Now the third point is -1, 0, -1, 0. So y coordinate is 0. So that's why the point will lie on the x-axis, and it is x coordinate is -1. So the -1, it will lie here. So it is your C point, -1, 0, and it lies on the x-axis. So we will say this point lies on negative x-axis, and this is fourth point is 1, 2. So 1 is both are positive, so the coordinates will lie in the first quadrant. So 1, 2, x is your 1, x coordinate is 1 and y coordinate is 2. 1, 2 will lie here. So this is your D point, 1, 2, and it is your first quadrant. And -3, -5 both are negative, and both are negative will lie in the third quadrant. So -3 is x coordinate and -5 is the y. So the point will lie here. So this is your point E, -3, -5, and it will lie in the third quadrant. Okay, so in this way we can solve the first question. Now coming to the second question, it states that plot the point in the ordered pair, that is x, y, given in the following table on the plane, which is your graph paper, choosing suitable units of distance on the axis. So x, y, these are the ordered pair, -2, 8, -1, 7, 0, -1.25, 1, 3, 3, -1. This is all our ordered pairs. So again we have drawn a x-axis x o x dash and y o y dash. The y-axis we have drawn, both are meeting at this point, which is your origin. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit on x-axis also and on y-axis also. This is positive of x, this is negative of x, this is positive of y, this is negative of y. The first ordered pair is -2, 8. X is coordinate is -2, so it will lie here, negative of x, and positive of 8, it will lie here. So both will meet here. So we will join the point and say that it is your A point minus 2 comma 8. Okay, this is your first ordered pair. Second ordered pair is minus 1 comma 7. So minus 1 is your x coordinate. So minus 1 is here and plus of 7 on the y coordinate is this. So we will draw it as B point. This is your minus 1 comma 7. Now the third point is 0 comma minus 1.25. 0, x coordinate is 0. Whenever x coordinate is 0, the point will lie on the y axis. Because and the y coordinate value is minus of 1.25, so it will go on the negative of y axis, which is this, and minus of 1.25 will lie here, just second line to minus after minus 1, which will give you the C point, that is 0 minus 1.25. Now fourth one is 1 comma 3. So 1 is your x coordinate and 3 is your y coordinate. The point will lie here, D, that is 1 comma 3. And lastly we have 3 comma minus 1. So 3 positive of 3 and minus 1 is negative of y. So the point will lie here, E point 3 comma minus 1. So in this way we can plot the points. Hope you understand.